Hey everyone, we're going to be doing a stretching workout today. We're going to be using the chords from D Harmonic Minor, which our entire lesson this month has been covering D Harmonic Minor. And we're going to actually find some really good uses to stretch out our fretting hand. So make sure your guitars are in tune because we're getting started. So if you're a beginner, you can just stay right here and do the entire workout with just this pinky right here. And as you get better and you can stretch more, you can add more fingers. All right, here we go. Index is going to be on A5 starting off. Then going to 7. Then 8. Then 10. Then 12. 13. 16. 17. Now we're working our way back. 16. 13. 12. 10. 8. 7. 5. And now we're going to be adding another finger. And we're going to be using half notes. Here we go. Middle D3. Middle D5. Ring D7. Middle D8. Ring D11. Ring D12. Middle D14. Middle D15. And we're making our way back. Don't worry, tab will be on the screen with you. Great job. If you're getting value out of this, I'm Clint Tucker. I'm a guitar trainer and coach, and I put lesson out every Friday, and I also do workouts like this that help you out. So if you would, go ahead, like, and subscribe. Now we'll be adding the next finger and making a triad. So we'll be doing quarter, quarter, half. Here we go, starting on index G2. 2, 3. Now that one's going to be index G3. Middle G6, middle G7, middle G9, getting stretchy, index G10, this is the tricky one, and back to index. Okay, we're going backwards, here we go. Really stretch out for that one. Some of these are going to be tricky to do, and it's okay. Get in where you can fit in. Fake it till you make it. All right, now we're going to add the very last note, making these 1, 3, 5, 7 triads. Okay, starting off, index is on B2. 2, 3. Holding it. Next one. Index is going to be on B3. Next one. Index will be on B5. Next one. Index will be on B6. Next one. B8. Index. Index will be on B10. Hardest one of the bunch. Here we go. B11. And finally on B14. Okay, we're working our way back down. Hold it for a full bar. What's a stretchy one? You almost feel like you get a little break right here. Do whatever you can with these. If they're really hard, just go to where you can. Nobody's going to get hurt doing this. Go 2 more. Finally, here we go. Ooh, good job. Give yourself a pat on the back because your left hand's probably pretty warm right now. All this stuff should get a little easier. And the better that you get, you can come back to this workout and try to add a little bit more flexibility. Here's the number one thing. Do not, and I repeat, do not continue. If this hurts, go till you feel a little bit of discomfort and then back down. That means you need to take that finger off. Go ahead. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out, guys. Y'all check out this right here.